The soil in Leitrim is poor, in places no more than an inch deep.
I must wash down the banister. I know I've never done it before, but something is telling me to do it now.
Returning to my hometown of Derry, doing the one thing I'd promised myself I would never, ever do.
There must be 3 of them, because Luca can still hear 2 voices in the yard.
Dear Brendan, how are things out there? I just thought I'd drop you a few lines as it's Sunday here and we have plenty of time on our hands.